In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Gmail with Zapier. We're going to set up an automation that sends an email through Gmail whenever a Google form gets a new response. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Create, then choose Zaps. You may also see a Create button at the top left. Click that as well. And if you're prompted again, click Zaps to open the Zap editor. Different views sometimes show Create and Zaps in a couple of places, so don't worry, just keep going until you're in the editor. In the editor, begin with your trigger. Click the trigger section to open it, then use the search bar to type Google Forms. When it appears, click Google Forms to select it. Next, choose a trigger event. The common choice is when a new form response is submitted, so pick the event that matches that behavior. Now sign into Google Forms with the Google account that owns or has access to the form you want to use. Make sure you're connecting the correct account, especially if you work across multiple Google profiles. Click Continue and then Test Trigger. Zapier will try to find a recent form submission to use as sample data. If nothing shows up, quickly submit a test response on your form and run the test again. This step confirms Zapier can read your form correctly. With the trigger ready, move on to the action. Click Action to add what should happen after a form is submitted. In the search bar, type Gmail, then click Gmail from the results. Select an action event that sends an email. You'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail account, approve the permissions so Zapier can send messages on your behalf. It's a good idea to connect the account you actually want the messages to come from. Click Continue. Zapier will show you customizable fields like the recipient, subject, and body. You can insert information from the Google form, things like the respondent's email or answers, so your message is personalized and informative. When everything looks right, click Test to send a sample email. Check your inbox or the recipient inbox you used to make sure the test arrived and the fields are populated as expected. That's it. You've connected Google Forms to Gmail with Zapier, verified the trigger, set the action, and confirmed the test works. This simple setup saves time and ensures you never miss a form response again.